And the stairs up. Get dark.
Get dark, yo. So you know, so you come from, you know, Rosie and the Brownies people in my family. My father's side of the family. Everybody dark.
But I'm not this dark in real life.
Me and you have the same tone of complexion.
So we at Somerset Falls. We are chilling. I haven't been vlogging like that because I've been having fun. And you know, almost have to beat that girl at 5. But we outside. You wanna survive still because you have food or something? Hello world, I'm in my bed. It is Thursday, March 27th? Thursday, no, when? Thursday? Yeah, it's Thursday, March 28th. It's about to be March 29th in a few minutes. If y'all seen this video, I just want to apologize ahead of time for this vlog. Usually you guys know that my Jamaica vlogs, I got hiccups and shit. My Jamaica vlogs, you know, are gonna be able to be chopped up in like 5 to 6 parts. But I didn't get to do that much this trip because a lot has been going on. A lot has happened. Also, the trip was just kind of quick and spontaneous for my family's party called Soho. Yeah, I'm looking to have my own party in the year 2025. At a certain location. I don't want to jinx this, I won't say it, or manifesting it on my soul. And yeah, a lot is going on, so I think I might just do a story time. Tomorrow's Friday, Good Friday, March 29th, and I'll be going home on March 30th, Saturday. And even though it's a short trip and that's when all the festivities start, which is Easter weekend, I have to go away for good cause. I wasn't even supposed to be traveling anyways. I kind of snuck away from the States for a while, take a little mental break. Now I'm back on the grind when I get back, so yeah, talk to you guys when I talk to you. Can't believe tomorrow's the last day. And don't mind if I'm not blending right now. I got a freaking tan. I think it's the light anyways. There we go. Yeah, it's my room, guys. Y'all should know my room by now. It's slightly fixed up. I got that right there. I'll probably show you guys the whole crib tomorrow, I never gave you guys an updated view of how the house looks now since my mom is back in Jamaica and whatnot. So yeah, so my bed is new and all that good stuff, and I got a new mirror that I want to paint over. It's a lot of stuff that I gotta do for my room. Put my TV up. My dad put his old dressers in here because my TV's not up yet, so they're taking this room as a damn storage room. And it's pissing me off, especially behind my door. I have like pillows and comforters and stuff like that. I don't know why my dad did not paint my door but paint my walls. That made no sense. But yeah, by December I should be doing a whole home improvement to my room and all that good stuff. So yeah, oh look, I'm blending. Guess it was the light because I look way better now. But yeah, a lot of shit has happened. I'm gonna try to see if I can do a story time with my cousin Raisha. If you want more extended vlogs, Raisha's page will be linked down below because she's also a vlogger taken off of her big cousin. Mwah. So yeah, talk to you guys I guess in the morning. I think we're going to Frenchman's Cove. Frenchman Cove, yeah, Frenchman Cove. If you've been following me for the longest, you know Frenchman Cove in Port Antonio is very beautiful, luxury place. They had shot Beyonce and Jay-Z's Off the Run tour and all that good stuff there. James Bond's movies, all type of good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go lay down and watch some Zeus Network, some Now That's TV, On My Soul, Ratchet-ish. So I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. So we here at Frenchman Cove. I promise y'all a vlog. So we here. It's half river, half beach. Y'all not seeing it yet, but y'all gonna see it soon. So yeah, it's not as hot as it is today. Right, this a pretty? You wanna take a picture? Girl, no. Somebody better flip the swing and go down there. Miraz, why I think we could have cut cross over here. Yeah, but we outside. You just say you know I haven't vlogged in so long because I don't know what the fuck to say. No man, Junior, could I drop you off, man? And Breeder walking.
But it look like I want some people get access to go up on the beach. Like taxi man them then get access to go up on the beach.
I'm a taxi man that. You could have tell me otherwise. What's your girl pretty?
Really?
It's the last night makeup on the people. People. If you want your makeup to stay, book me. Girl with many talents. I didn't even do my story time. I should do story time on the beach.
Okay. You got good audio?
Mm-hmm. Alright, see y'all in a sec. Oh, we don't have a table.
Nah, all the tables were out. I'm sorry.
No problem, you're fine.
Thank you.
Thank you. You already know it's me from the future. Just to show y'all, to let y'all know that the video deadass is this short. It's ending right here. A lot of clips is missing. After Freshman Cole, we did go to a party later down the line, but I didn't record that much or anything at all because after the beach, I done took a shower. I went to go get stuff for my suitcase, and then the party was like a last minute decision. And the story time kind of trickled into that party as well. So the next and final clip will be me basically recording the scenery going back to Kingston, and that's just that. So I want to apologize in advance, but the story time should be coming shortly. Oh yeah?
Them say me hype to me have a very high standard, but you know my sitting down fuck dog. Me and one get a girl where fi live like star. Now drop my thing for please nobody burn. Like what?